Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. Now, here's a plant that is real value for money and give you months and months of flower power in the garden. Up to 9 months even in a mild year. I've seen these flowering from March until November, so that's literally 3 months out of bloom. This is an Erysimum bulbs mauve. You put this in your perennial borders, front to mid border. It will reach 80 centimetres if it's allowed to grow that tall, else you can give it a light clip in the winter time and keep it more compact. But it grows through every year really reliably, and you've just got masses and masses of these purple flowers, and it just keeps flowering and flowering and flowering. Once these finish this spike, you take that off and you've got more and more coming along the plant. That just helps it flower for longer. But these spikes themselves go on for weeks anyway, because they start flowering at the bottom and get longer and longer and longer, and then you've got flowers all the way to the top. But really, really great value. You've got this sort of silvery grey-green foliage as well, sets it all off, and they hold the foliage in winter too. So they're a really good value plant in my opinion. One every garden's probably put in there as a fail-safe. Thanks very much and see you next time.